How to delete Google activity history. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can delete your activity history on Google. So without any further ado and without any delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to delete your Google's activity history, it is fairly simple for us to do so. Now, in order to delete our activity history on Google, what we do is first we open our browser and we go to myactivity.google.com. Then when you go to myactivity.google.com and you log into your account, you can scroll and you can say filter by data product. So you can choose to filter the activity only for some specific Google services. Otherwise, if you don't want to filter and you want to delete each and every Google activity like your search history on Google, YouTube, or Google Maps or anything like that, tap on the delete button like that, then select all time. Then after you've done that and selected all time, choose all the activity to delete. If you want to delete all, then tap on the next option to delete it. So you can delete your Google activity history. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.